Emergency Preparedness by Darrell L. Walker. We need to make sure that students are prepared for emergency situations for the following reasons. Number one, it prepares students and teachers to deal with a crisis. Number two, it eliminates confusion and panic among students, teachers, staff, and other stakeholders. The third one, it allows the teacher to resume instruction as soon as possible. The procedure steps. The first one, a teacher needs to prepare an emergency evacuation binder. The emergency evacuation binder should contain emergency plans, just in case if teacher is not there. Also, the teacher needs to post a school map with the highlighted evacuation routes, preferably near doors or whatever ways that students would be entering and exiting. Also prepare a transition activity to help students return to the learning mode after the drill, such as a class meeting, or addressing the words on the word wall, or maybe creating a video just like I'm doing right now. For the classroom, it is important for the teacher to continue to teach, rehearse, and reinforce before, during, and after an emergency situation, whether if it is a fire drill, a tornado drill, or if there is something that is causing an emergency within the school. Teach. It is important to discuss with the students the importance of doing the right things during a drill, such as behaviors and so forth. Also, teaching students about the evacuation procedure often will help with the transitions. Use stands for using a school map to orient the students more during a emergency that may be occurring at the school. Assign. Assign basically means to assign a reliable student and a backup as well, as far as where they need to line up at or where they need to in fact be at during a drill. You want a student to be able to take the lead during that particular time. Continue to rehearse with the students. Leading, making sure that they're going down the hallway or whatever corridor correctly, showing the students the correct procedures to follow by when there is a emergency situation. Order. It is so important for the kids to have a particular order to be in when they are getting ready to assume a particular position. If it's a tornado drill or if there's a fire drill, we want to make sure that the students are in an orderly fashion. It is important to take attendance, making sure that the students are walking on the correct side of the hallway. When things have somewhat calmed down, you want to make sure that you commend the students on such a great job that they did, and then launch immediately some sort of a transition activity with the students. Again, it could be creating a video with them, having a class meeting, or something of that particular nature. Reinforce. Continue to talk with the students about what they need to do during a emergency situation. You also want to have a dry run often to make sure that the students' skills are sharp. For any new students that come in, we want to make sure that they are acclimated to the correct rules and the procedures that they need to follow by when there is a situation. And we want to continue to emphasize to the students, although it may be a drill, we still need to remain calm, do what we need to do, because it is about survival in the classroom. Thank you very much.